Hey, I'm Ryan, a design student based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. I've been sitting on this video idea for a while, but as school is becoming increasingly more important and harder, I would like to talk about it more on this YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the everyday carry of a design student. That's me. And just a quick rundown for everyday carry, or EDC as a term, it literally means exactly what you think it means, just things that I carry with me on a daily basis. Now, when I first became interested in design, it seemed very intimidating. It seemed very professional and there wasn't a lot of insight as to what they do on a day-to-day basis. And this video is meant to do exactly that, to give you insight on what the everyday carry of a design student really is. So this is it. This is everything I bring with me every single day. I guess we can start with the basics. I think most people can understand bringing a phone with you. That's really all this is. I have an iPhone 10. I just use it for phone stuff and music, which I'll talk about a little bit here in a second, I guess. But yeah, that's my phone. And continuing on the technology, this is my 13-inch MacBook Pro 2017. This is actually everything for a design student. This is what I do almost all actually of my work off of. I mean, this is Illustrator, Photoshop, Premiere, After Effects sometimes. I mean, we use like all the Adobe things and everything else you would imagine, turning in assignments, checking emails, just all the computer stuff. Like this is really where the heart of a design student lies. So this thing comes with me every day. I could not operate without this guy. Probably the second most important thing we carry as a design student is a sketchbook. This is where every first idea goes and where every second and third and fourth and fifth generation of those ideas lie. And this is really where all the figuring out happens. But yeah, it's a sketchbook for sketching all of our ideas. And to go along with that sketchbook, of course, I have tons of pencils, all kinds of different things, colored pencils, Sharpies in here. But the ones I use the most, I have like a little set that I use more than anything. I have a couple Sharpies, a mechanical pencil with an eraser, and then a drawing pencil. The big fat Sharpie is just for huge, big lines. I have a fine point Sharpie for more details. Those look really good for like final presentation drawings. And then the two pencils for what you could imagine, a mechanical one with an eraser and a drawing pencil just to draw. This is my wallet, pretty self-explanatory. It's my ID and stuff. I think it's pretty nifty. I don't know, it's just a wallet. And to kind of go along with the wallet, I gotta be able to get in and out of my house and drive my car. So of course there's my keys, nothing really special there. And just like I said earlier, listening to music, we have a lot of work time. So these are my over-ear Impow Bluetooth headphones. They're pretty straightforward. I think they sound great and they do exactly what they need to do. So I take those with me every single day, just to relax, listen to some music and get some work done. So those are nice. Almost forgot this guy. He goes along with my sketching. It's a little 6-inch ruler protractor. I use it to draw straight lines and sometimes measure things. It's pretty simple, but that goes with my sketching stuff. So that's essentially all I carry with me on a daily basis. Thank you so much for taking a peek into my life as a design student, and I hope to see you again. Have a good one, dude.